live. I think I am live. All right. This video basically is about the Power Hour, live streaming, some scalping. We had a lot of movement today. It's a little choppy right now to trade. I have the chart up right now. This is based on a YouTuber that I've been watching for a while, and I'm gonna lower the desktop a little bit. Hold on one second. I'm just trying to some non-copyright music playing here. Get rid of this. Lower this a little bit. It's loud to me, maybe not to you guys. So yeah, Bob Anderson's a YouTuber. Let's just pull it up actually. You know what? Screw this guy. Let's see, Bob Anderson, this guy right here. So he does a lot of stuff. Seems pretty cool. I'm a fan. Not a fan, I'm a follower of his, and gotta give him props. He just did videos to document his journey. He just recently started pushing an Apex referral link, which is fine. I do the same thing. But he has a strategy, and I honestly didn't try it up until recently. And, you know, let's talk about it. Anybody that doesn't know, check his site out. I don't even know him. He probably doesn't even know I'm doing this video, but I tested his strategy out along with mine. So leave it at that. Let's just put some music on. That doesn't suck. Hold on a second. Non-copyright. If anybody wants to hang and just chill, this is a low stress environment. So I don't see the comments yet, so just give me a second. I'm gonna pull those up if anybody's even watching. All right. You want to hear? Let's see. Non-copyright. Non-copyright. Got 2 left thumbs today. Let's just do that. Let's see what we got. Annie, this one's pretty cool usually. Alright, now enough of that. Okay. Alright, there's a couple of my charts that I use. You can simplify it. Alright, so we're streaming. Test 1, 2, 3. Alright, I could minimize that screen. Let me just check out. What's the YouTube stream? Okay. What's up, Paul? Alright, good. So, Paul, have you used Bob Anderson's strategy? Do you follow his channel? And I apologize about maxing that out of ignorance. Let's see what's going on with the market here. All right, so I'm trading NASDAQ. Getting some alerts getting hit here. Yo, what's up, DJ, I DJ'd as well. Yeah, I want to do some trades, so I don't know if I'm gonna chat for a few minutes. I may actually just trade. If you guys want to see me trade live or you want me to talk, let me know. It's dangerous to take a trade right now because it's, you know, we got the 10-minute block coming up at the end of the day, but this is Bob Anderson's strategy on TradingView. Listen, you guys, I replicate it on TradingView and I have it on Ninja, so don't stress out. The pivots aren't as good. And yeah, I DJ'd as well, semi-professionally. That's a whole nother story. I'm actually on Beatport, on Spotify, SoundCloud, but anyway. So this is Bob Anderson's strategy on, check it out, 1 minute, and then you have the 5 minute over here. I have the SMAs, look, 21 and a 9 EMA. And then I threw Market Liberator and another vector candle indicator on there as well. But anyway, I don't know why it's not even working. Oh, no, I do a level indicator. Okay, so let's back it up here. We can get to the meat and potatoes of this. His strategy is pretty good. It looks a little better on a Ninja chart. Let me try and minimize this screen so I can see. Okay, check this out. Ready? All right. So this is the Ninja chart on the 1 minute. I honestly, I love TradingView, but Ninja looks sharp here. This is the 1 minute, and pretty much if it's below the red line. Wait a second, where are you guys? Yeah, I'll post a link for the DJ stuff. So the stream's delayed, by the way, too. What am I on here? I'm on Sim. Am I on NQ? The let's just do MNQ. Let's do micros, be safe. I don't know what the hell just happened. Why did that just pop up? Anyway. All right, so we're at a bottom right now. Pretty much 12,060 on NQ. His strategy consists of Bob Anderson, Futures Journey. So I made a video of just recently, like a 30-second intro last night, and it's because a ton of people want to know how to use the strategy. So I back tested it today, and I did pretty good. I'll just show you. Look, check this out. Just to give you some motivation. I made anywhere from 747. That's without commissions. That's my sim account, the 1,089. Then as you can see, some of these are $25,000 accounts and some are $50,000 accounts. But I had a decent day. Of course, 10 accounts. I made like 2,500 and net like 19 using the copy trader. And honestly, I freaking traded at 5 to 7 in the morning, and I lost like $500, maybe $300. But of course, 10 accounts, so it was only like a $30, $40 spread, $50 loss. Then I woke up at 2 p.m. for the FOMC, the minutes, and yeah, I made that. So just to show you a little hope, this is not fake. This is all real, and this is reported daily. So I can't make this shit up. Not trying to be a dick, just trying to be straight up, like, hey guys. All right, so what do you guys want to look at, man? Let's just look at what I do, I guess. I also have another chart I use. Check it out. I use a 10-second for entry. I pretty much just draw levels, and I use confluence. Yeah, I use it for confluence according with the other stuff I'm using. All right, so this is his 1 minute chart, right? Now check the 5 minute. Ready? So got one screen. Now I know why he records his face. Check his video out though when I'm done. I'm only gonna do this till 4:15 p.m. So about 20 minutes. So he basically says when it's under the red line, take shorts, and when it's above the red line, take longs. It's pretty damn accurate, I'm not gonna lie. And the pivots, they play a factor as well. And pivots to me, it's just a level. Look, top and bottom. Boom, there's a top, tapped it. So you would be taking shorts on here on the 1 minute. Now check it out. So I'm gonna put global on this. So now when I scroll on this, you'll see it on that. Okay. All right. So I'll put it on my other screen. But check it out. So like right here, the red line crossed, the golden line crossed the red line down. So it means look for shorts, and that's on the 5 minute, which I'm looking at right now. So I'll pull it up right here. Right here, check that out. Let me just do this. Sorry, I'm a little wonky, bro. I'm not in any way, shape, or form a fucking YouTuber. Hopefully a year from now I won't be saying that. I'll be like pro status and shit. But anyway, so check it out. Right here, 5 minute. That's how many points that is. Let's pull this over. It's crossed over the gold line, crossed down over the red line. You see that's a level right there. So I wanted to test it. It came back up. Now he says when it comes back up into the gold line, look for a short. So this went from 12,139, wrote it down all the way to 12,080. That's 40 points. So now check it out on the global. So I'm going from here. And look on the left side of my screen, the 1 minute. So let's just say right here, you don't enter, you wait, you follow this one here on the right side, you follow that. And then you look for your entry right here somewhere when it comes back up right here. I'd say you could have took entry there, or you could have took entry there. Once you tap there, the golden line cross, you could have took it right here. If you set your stop loss like right here at 12,147, like a 7-point stop loss on the MNQ, which is nothing. It's like, what, $8, something like that. And then you just ride this down from 12,128. Could have wrote it down. With no trail though. If you trail, you probably get trailed out. But if you would have hit this down, what is this here? This is 12,140 to 12,084. That's like 55 points, man, in like what, 5 minutes? Bro, this strategy, I back tested it and I made that today, honestly, in like 20 minutes trading. He's on to something here, guys. So There's a video if you want, Paul. There's a video where he puts. And by the way, the market's moving a lot right now. It's like chopping up and down. They turn the algo bots on like at 3:45 and with Nasdaq and ES. So just be careful trading. Is anybody live trading right now? Yo. I want to take a trade, man. Let's just see. I'm yapping all this. Yeah, well, ES is better as far as what? Commissions. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you get raped with NQ, especially if you're doing micros and you're doing like one at a time. I did the NQ and then a little bit of MNQ, and you know, I balance it out. You know, I just set an overall daily goal. Yeah, Paul, I did crypto. I mean, Crypto Life 101. That's my other moniker I went by. I changed it up because taking a break from crypto, man. Taking a break. Need to build up some fun skis. And once the fund ski is built up, I'm going to get back into crypto. And you know what it is? I don't trust the exchanges right now. I don't trust the exchange. I did crypto since 2017. And honestly, I paid a lot of tuition fees, if you know what I mean. I think like all fucking tuition fees. Excuse my language. I do better with this and less pressure using the eval accounts, Apex Trader Funding as a platform I use. I use Trade Day, I used Bullinox. I passed all their accounts, then I failed the PAs. I'm getting very, very close to doing very well with a funded account. I made some stupid psychological errors. I took my notes, I've been journaling, and I'm doing a lot better. All right, so now anyway, this strategy, since you guys aren't really, stable coins, man. I don't know about those. Dude, I just got out. I mean, listen, my name is Crypto Life 101, and I was all about that, and I was like a blockchain freak. And I said, you know what? I'm done. Until they figure out what they're doing. And watch, now Bitcoin goes to 200,000. So anyway, this strategy, you see it. Seems like most of you guys aren't really into that, so let's just get off that for a minute. Not saying that in a bad way, just saying no, fuck it. Yeah, Bob strategy is definitely listen, yo, net nil profit. What's up, man? I made Bob's strategy on TradingView. Check it out. Look, it's not the same exact because Ninja has data settings are, you know, a little more tight, I think. I did a 1 minute and 5 minute stacked next to each other. I mean, just look at this from a price action perspective. This looks like, you know, the bottom like 12,035. If we crack that, then we got to see how low it's going to go. The daily low is 12,033. I probably should be taking trades right now. There's another chart I use. You know, I don't rely on just one strategy, honestly. I'll just show you one strategy. This is $1. Obviously, DXY, you guys, I'm sure you know what this is. This is oscillated down there. I use this too on a low time frame just to see like what's going on. So like look at this EMA crossover. As soon as it turned red, look, we got almost 100 points. This is a DXY. Look at this. Boom. When I say boom, that means it went up. You guys don't know me that well yet. Sorry. Bob strategy. This is a simple vector candle with the EMA crossover that turns red. So check it out. Look. Net nil profit. So I know Bob's strategy is good, but let me show you something that's even better. You got to pay for this though. This is something I'm testing at Apex Sniper Investing Group. Check it out. This is a whole thing. I studied this for 2 months. I'm using that. Yeah, net nil profit. Yeah, seems like he knows his stuff, man. It's awesome. Definitely, man. Check this out. So this is an Apex Investors Group. They have their, you know, people that own Apex Trader Funding, they have their own trading system. And simplicity is pretty good. This is simplicity right here. This is the chart based on tick size that has pretty specific indicators. It spots trap sellers and buyers. So it's like order flow, essentially. And this is just a larger time frame. I mean, you can nail trades when you get trap sellers and trap buyers. These clusters, these yellow clusters, I don't know if you can see them. These yellow clusters are when the buyers and sellers are battling it out. But yeah, this is a whole nother topic. I'm not going to get into this right now. It's just, I use this for order flow. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, this is a strategy I use. It's a basic strategy. Look, on the NASDAQ. Look, everybody knows market liberated B. I don't know if you do you? Got market liberated B. And listen, I'm not like a huge indicator person. It looks like I am, but I think indicators are pretty important. This is ATR. I just started using ATR. I'm not going to lie. 5 years of trading, 4 years of trading, whatever. Look at the ATR. So basically per candle size, that's how many points it moves. So 29 points. So the volatility is pretty high right now. So you could use the ATR to help you set stop losses and whatnot. This looks like a, if anybody knows the market liberated B, this looks like a trigger wave. It might pop up a little. Maybe it did. Let's just get, yeah. You might ask, what's that yellow line right there? It's a fair value gap. I like the lower time frames, using them when I'm scalping. So like, I'll use this chart, right? Then I'll just look at the other higher time frame charts. You know, maybe I'll just peep the oscillators and I'll close them down. Like this is a 1 hour right here. Looks like the 1 hour is struggling to come up. It's pretty much a wick, and it's the end of the day. So then you get Bob's strategy, short from the red. It seems like it's staying down there. It's respecting it. I also added 2 different types of MACD just to get a little help on entries. It works a little bit. You know, it's not always. They're lagging indicators. Look at that. See? If you would have just did a longer, you guys would be fucking destroyed just now. I'm not laughing at anyone. I'm just like, wow. This is why I don't trade it. This is the 10-minute rig, they call it. Whoa, we're crashing, man. Look at this. They're hunting stop losses, man. Damn, do I have any trades open? Shit. Okay, no. Let's have a little fun, right? Okay. Let me pull up a chart. I'll just trade this on a 10-second time frame. Crackhead mode. Let's see. All right. Whoa. Let me get it onto sim mode. I am not trading this last 5 minutes. All right. What do we got here? Let's just do like 5 contracts. Fuck it. Not 10. Gambling time. Ding, 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 ding. It's probably get wrecked. Ready? My ATM strategy is pretty wide. So hopefully I've got a 36 stop loss, 36 tick, 71 tick profit. No, look at that. Okay. Making 4 points, 5 points, 6 points. Look at that. Should have did this on my actual account. I don't trust it though. Whoa. On market liberated B? No, I changed it around a little bit. If you guys want to know the settings, go into my Discord group and we'll chalk it up, man. We'll talk about it. Oh, what did I just make there? What? Really? Alright, well, I'm glad I made profits today, because what the fuck was that? It grabbed liquidity and shot up. That was a nice 30-point move. I didn't make 30 points, but look at that. So that's why I used the 10-second. Let's look at the other. Go away, indicator. Let's get rid of that. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to make this clean. Probably fucking looks like a wreck, right? This is a little messy here, but this is a multi-time frame. You know, 6 minute, 15 minute, hour, 4 hour. Just see direction of NASDAQ. I could do this with anything, obviously. I'm sure you guys know that. ES. I have some levels joining ES. These aren't updated though. Don't mind this chart. This is disgusting. Wow, that's a lot of white lines. White lines. Okay, anyway, got distracted. Ah, just kidding, guys. Say no to drugs. Alright, so we look like that grabbed some liquidity and shot up. Nice. I got a 10-point trade live on stream. So my ATM strategy, you guys want to talk about that? Is it something that you even market liberated B? Yeah, you know what I do? I just Well, a lot of people ask me about the ATM strategy, but I won't go there right now. Yeah, you know what? I have my own my little mess that I go by. It works for me, and I'm sure you guys can relate. Trying to see, like, all right, let's just look if we're going to do an entry here. This is not a good time to trade. I repeat, guys, if you trade from 3:50 Eastern time to 4, I'm sure you know already that a market goes nuts. So just be careful if you're trading. I would trade just in sim. We could fuck around with ES. I mean, let's just go to ES, check it out. So ES, check it out. It went down to 3. It made a low. It made a new daily low. Check that out. It made a new daily low of 39.83 and popped up 10 points. That's an end of day move. But yeah, you know what? That's not a safe trade to take. That's real skeptical, suspect. I'm going to go to my other chart and say, I'm going to look at it as if I was ever going to do the trade. So let's see. When this was coming down, the money flow was in red. The ATR is all wonky. It's too wonky for me. But here we're getting a crossover on these EMAs. They do hold some weight. I know it's an EMA, it's lagging. They hold some weight. We got a blue vector candle on the 5-minute coming up. We got this blue vector candle trying to push it up. It's the end of the day. They're just trying to hit some liquidity or hit a certain level, then close it out at 4 o'clock. Shit. See what else I got, what I use. Like if I was trading and looking at this myself. Okay, the 5-minute Dixie looks like it wants to come down. Got some divergence here. You see this yellow line going down. You see the price going up. That's divergence. Boom, boom. It's probably going to come down. Maybe not now. Let's go to the 1 minute. These side-by-side charts. It's NASDAQ. Let's do yes. ATM strategies are like bracket orders. It's use them on Ninja. So you literally child-proof your fucking trading. It just sets the bracket to take profit and stop loss and puts a trail in place. I'll just do one for you right now. Hold on. Where's my... All right, let's just do it. Ready? So this is my ATM right here. I got a 36 stop loss, 71 profit, 22 stop strategy, which is when I'm 20 ticks in profit and it moves up 2, it trails my 1. I fucking forgot. Honestly, I forgot. It's just a trailing by 20 into 1. Just look it up. I'll do a video as I get a little better at it. But this is my wide MNQ stop loss. This is when I'm trading micros. Okay. So this looks all wonky right now. Let's see what's happening. Let me just go back to NASDAQ because that's what I trade. I don't want to trade something I don't trade and look like an idiot. Alright, let's just short it. Fuck it. I'm on sim. Oh, I probably should have that. Oh no. Okay. Look. See if I can make a few points. Let's say, yep, 6. Look at this, 5 points. Maybe the end of the day is a good time to trade. Look at that. 5 points, 6 points is really good if you're trading futures. And see how the trail, it only, so let's say I profited, it went to 6 points, and then it took me out of 3 points. So my trailing drawdown. Okay, trailing drawdown is a huge thing with Apex. So if you got trailing drawdown issues where you're like, oh man, I keep blowing my account, you know, my prop firms, I hate keep hitting my trailing drawdown, etc., etc. The reason why is you're not using trailing stop loss. Because especially with the NASDAQ NQ, it moves way too fast. See, the ES is more stable. You got to wait for your moves. And you got to, I'd say, you got to snipe hardcore with the ES, you know, have a 5-tick stop loss, 12-tick take profit, 11, and maybe do multiple contracts and then have a trail set on that on top of it. But that's all strategy talk. See, the MNQ is a totally different strategy. I go a little wider and then I just move my trailing stop loss or my stop loss as I'm in the trade. Like, all right, it's 3 minutes left. This is not a good time to trade. Let's just do an example. All right, okay. I'm hitting a level of resistance. I'm going to short. Fuck it. Right, so this is a 10-second time frame. This is crackhead mode right here. No offense to people that are addicted to crack. I wish and pray for you guys. Seriously, I do. Look at this now. See, now it's trailing. I'm gonna move it to break even. I'm actually there. Okay, so boom. Good thing I did that because it would have either took me out. Oh, look, and it keeps going down. Let's just be more of a crackhead. I gotta stop saying that. Degenerate, okay? Degenerate. Net nil. If you want to talk about it in Discord, man, much easier. Go to, if my Discord link doesn't. If my Discord link doesn't work, let me know. Okay? And if you don't have Discord, I have Telegram. Just leave me a comment or something, and I can help you with a. Yeah, the trailing setting is a pain in the ass. Paul. Yeah. There's a lot of stuff going around, you know. I'm no spring chicken. I'm sure you said you used to DJ, right? Alright, so yeah, we can go into that conversation another time. Yo, net nil profit. Go into Discord and we'll talk about the ATM. A trailing setting for ES. I have one. Actually. Hold up. Let's do micro. Asshole, where is it? When I say asshole, I'm totally talking to myself. So, and it's a little abusive. We have a minute left. I can get this in. Let's just do. I have one. Look, yes. Right there. 8-1 trail. I have. It's gonna get wrecked right now. Watch. Yeah. I move it up to break even. Fuck it. It's not gonna crack. It's gonna. Yeah, it's done. It's done. It's the last minute. It's over. Just throw it in there. Fuck it. I hope I'm in sim. Am I in sim? Ah, got worried a minute. Look at this. It's like trying to tap. I think it knows where your shit is sometimes, right? We all thought that as beginning traders. But look, it's hitting at top. It's NASDAQ. Look. Hold up. Turn up. Okay. Alright. Where did we start? Oh, it's closed. Market's closed. But anyway, yeah, so. Oh, you're in Discord? Yeah, okay. Follow me. I'm retarded. Guys, I joke around a lot. I hope I don't get, like, judged. But sensitive world we're living in now. Alright, so that's it, guys. I just wanted to go through a little live session and check it out. Yeah. It's a 12 tick stop loss, 20 tick profit, and an 8-1 trail on the, and it did not work. I lost money both times on it on a MES. It usually works. Just gotta tighten it up a little bit. Yeah. So that's that. This is Bob's strategy on TradingView again. Let me know what you think. Net nil profit. Is your name different in Discord? We'll check it out. Check it out. Don't worry. But pretty cool how I threw it on here, right? I'm not trying to ruffle my own feathers, but Ninja's a pain in the goddamn ass, to be honest. It really is. It took me no joke. It's a simplified strategy, but it's very good. And it took me on TradingView 5 seconds to do this, and on Ninja this with the data set to have it all on one chart. This is a 5-minute and 1-minute data on the same chart. This took me far too long, and it made me question my IQ levels. So my DJ link. Yeah, it's a little old, my friend. I don't know. Are you in my Discord, Paul? Yeah, I think you're in my Discord, right? Hit me up and I'll DM you. Yeah, so Ninja, this took me a while to do. The good thing I learned is you could switch it to anything. Look. See this 5-minute here, this blank thing? That's the 5-minute data on there. But yeah, so cool thing is you could switch it to any asset. I wonder how it works with let's look at a gold and oil real quick. You guys still here? Anybody here? Hello? Let's look at oil. No, we want oil or gold. Which one? Oil. Yeah, what we got? Whoa, I think I got chained to contracts. Do you guys know if oil, you got to move it forward from March to April? It's because we're in February. So I don't know about that. Gold, I have April up. I wonder if it's accurate. Look at that. This is gold on the 1 minute. The red line, the gold line crosses over. You get a short here. Wow, okay. Something to test out a little bit. Look at the gold line. Taps the gold line down. Listen, it's not rocket science, and I'm not saying anything bad about I'm just saying, like, honestly, out of all the shit I've seen out there, I mean, indicators, lines on charts are just lines on charts. Let's just be honest with each other. Price action and volume is the only thing that actually moves markets, and sentiment. And right now, if somebody sneezes, the market moves. It's just the way it is right now. So, just the way it is. Yeah, Discord, I feel you on that. I have Telegram, which is even worse. Remember, when I first got into crypto, I was in Telegram, and man, 2017, 18, I fell for all the pump and dumps and a lot of crap. That's a story for another time. But all right, guys, thanks for coming down to the stream. Please, like, sub, share. If you found this content in any way, shape, or form useful, in Discord or in the comments, post anything you want me to work on and look at. I'm open. Right now I'm working on this Bob strategy. He doesn't have like a Discord and a community, and a few people said, hey, you know what, would you mind? And I said, yeah, no problem. I'll do a live stream and I'll go over it a little more consistently than I did and now. And I added people to Discord, and I made a little chat room for that, and I want to test it out. And hopefully Bob will chime in at some point. Maybe not. It doesn't really matter. It's just a strategy, and anyone could use it, right? Unless he starts like patenting it or something like that. But yeah, Telegram shot. We need to have something else, right? But yeah, we got to work with the tools we're given. Alright, so the market's moving slow. I mean, since you guys did crypto, let's look at Bitcoin for shits and giggles. Imagine like Bob's strategy killed it. Let's see. 5 minutes. So the red line, when the gold line crosses over on the 5, look for shorts hitting the red. Actually, look at this. 24,100. Tapped it, short it. Short it down to $600. Look at that. 23,659. That's like a $600 short. Hold on a second. Bob, let me find out, Bob Anderson. Let me find the hell out. Okay. Time to start at, though. We had the crazy news today. It's not typical movement. Alright, let's go away. No, the news wasn't today. Today. It wasn't early. It was at 2 o'clock. So let's just go to 2 o'clock. Oh, so no. Alright. Got to move there. On the open. Alright, so that's Bitcoin, people. Let's look at Bitcoin here. So NASDAQ and Bitcoin seem to be moving together, as usual. Check it out, because as you know, NASDAQ is tech related. But look at this one, though. Now I'm on NASDAQ. See that vector candle going down? Red, high volume down. Look at Bitcoin, high volume up. And then sideways. High volume down and down, down, down. So the correlations aren't, the same so much. That's why I just stick to DXY. Down. This is going down. This is going up. Today, we have a high correlation. DXY to the indices. And let's look at the bond. There's a 30-minute time frame, if you guys don't know that. Just see what this move would happen. The bond went up and then this went down, okay? Well, let's see. Let's just see this. One last thing, guys, I want to look at. So as we were coming down here from 8 in the morning, down, the bond was what? Going up and then a little sideways. And then sideways. So Bond started coming up. See this green right here? I use this indicator to scale a little confluence, like a MACD kind of, with a divergence thingamajangabomb in there, but not for this. But seeing when this turns blue, goes up, the bonds, this turns red, this goes down, NASDAQ. Don't overcomplicate it, right? Last thing I'll show you, just because I have it on here, volume profile. Whoa, what the hell is that? The Mickey Mouse volume profile? Okay. Don't mind these arrows. I'll get rid of those. Let's see if I can get this down. And I'm gonna declutter this right now. Hold up. Alright, so let's just look at volume profile. So important. No, I'm just kidding. A lot of people swear by it. It's pretty good. It's pretty fucking good, not gonna lie. Point of control right here. That's the white dotted line. Where is my value area low? Ooh, that. The white line's a value area low. It tapped it twice. 1, 2. And then it tapped it to the tick. Wait a second here. When did I set this up for? Oh, I have this in the weekly open. Yo, hold up. Who's still here? Anybody? Look at that. Why is my thing so delayed, my stream? I change the settings. Yeah. Yeah. Check this out. Bruh. Look at this. This is volume profile. For you guys that know. Whoa. Alright, cool. Check this out, man. So look at the volume profile, the value area low on the weekly. Look how it tapped it on the last on power hour. That's fucking scary, man. That's like conspiracy theory type shit. Let's see if it did it. Oh, I don't think I have it on. Yes. God dang it. I could draw it for you, man. Hold up. Let's do Sunday. Honestly, I use volume profile. I like it, but I don't rely on it as much as I should. Alright, let's just draw it. Let's see if it did the same thing. God, what the? Oh, shit. Let's take away. Okay. These indicators, I'm going to take them away. Bang. Too much noise. I think too much noise. Sorry about the lines. I'm going to leave those for now. But. Alright. You want me to get rid of this? Oh my God. Look at this. You got enough lines? Alright, just listen. Focus. Focus on myself. It tapped the volume profile very, very low. And it came up to nothing really substantial volume that was. It came up to a level. So like if I draw another level, let's make the. Let's see. It's like looking for a fucking level. No. I had it right there. I'm looking at this. This right here. And it's 4,000. Okay, so it's an even number. Hit the value area low. Don't mind this one right here. Let's get that one. Let's get rid of that one. Probably needed that, but fuck it. So tap the value area low at 39.84, and it went up to 4,000 at 16 points. So if you're looking at, that's on a 30-minute time frame. Let's do the 15-minute. What did it do? Okay, you had vector candles smashing down, some wickage, and then you had this. So if you utilize a chart like this, with S&P, the Bob Anderson strategy, check this out, bro. I think I'm onto something here. So we get a weekly low. We get the low in here, the low. Okay. We go back to the volume profile. I'm gonna look at the larger time frame. I really wish that I had more room. Okay. And we pay attention to the vector candles. It's kind of hard to, I don't know why I don't have the, it's not doing what I want it to do. Anyway, so check it out. It taps the bottom here. You look at Bob Anderson strategy. It taps the bottom, bam, 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 bam. Boom. We had a high volume green candle here. But right here we had a high volume green candle, same one. But this wick was really suspect. But it bounced, then it bounced off of the goal line here. And we could have listened. If you catch 20% of this move, you get like a 5 pointer. You You know, let's say you entered on this, you really weren't confident because kept tapping, tapping, tapping. You tap this wick, you take a tight stop loss up. So you go from like 39.92 to 39.97. Oh, 198. That 5-6 points. And then you use this as confluence. You know, let's just look at a 5 minute. Now this is going to be out of range. It's gone now. Can I pull it back in? I gotta figure that one out. Okay, that's that. And what else? Let's just say ES. What's a good level? Okay, I don't have the levels drawn out in this, so disregard this chart. All right, and then my other chart, let's just do ES. Check it out. So yo, Paul, where are you at? Oh, yeah. So on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour on this ES. Okay. Let's just do 15 minute. Okay. I mean, you could have done entry off this right here. If you know Market Liberator, look, you wouldn't have went off this. Actually, you would have. My bad. What am I talking about? I said it was a trigger wave. It was. Look, right here. Why is this doing that? Goodbye. Okay, ready? Trigger wave. Boom. That's a trigger wave. These EMA crossovers started at 39.90. Left the fair value gap, popped up. So now look at my cursor on the 5 minute chart. You got a blue vector and a green vector going in. So you could have taken an entry. And this is all in a larger, yeah. That with this confluence, the gold line crossing the red. And then you got your larger time frame volume profile, tapping the value area low into a key level, 4,000, a notable level. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna bounce. Yo, peace. Thank you for showing up, and look forward to some more time together with more people as I grow. Thanks.